The 3D objects allow to improve the view and the interactivity of the store. They are located at the bed icon, and there are 4 types. In this video we will see the first 3, fixtures, products, and smart objects. By clicking on one of them you will find a content library with all your items, which you can set in the Objects tab. Fixtures are objects used to decorate your virtual showroom. By default, you have many elements. They are all configurable. You can change their position, their size, their direction, their distance of appearance for the user. You can also duplicate or remove them. Some fixtures like the TV can broadcast content like an image or a video. Products are unique objects with a customizable form. They have the same configuration options as the fixtures, except for editing. You can choose to show or not show the product sheet. You can also modify it by clicking on the pin and then choosing Product Edition. You will then be able to modify the various information of the product. The smart objects are groups of customized products but do not have a unique interaction. They have the same configurations as the 2 previous 3D objects.